Hi, everybody, welcome back. Today, I am here to talk again about Collective Voice, which is the primary affiliate platform that I use. And I today was thinking about how people are able to be discovered. Because I feel like if I can be candid, when I'm using Like to Know It, which is, I guess maybe the biggest competitor to Collective Voice, I'm not sure. Um, I feel like when I'm there, there's a lot of promotion of the creators. Like I can always find a creator on Like to Know It, especially from social media over to me just being on the app itself. I shop directly through the Like to Know It app all the time because I love the inspo. And so my thought was, I wonder if Collective Voice is doing that. And if they are, how is it happening? Because I just don't know. I don't see it. And it's not that it isn't happening. I just might not know how to do it and I need to figure it out. So I did happen to find two ways for people to be able to follow you and shop directly from you on Shopstyle. So the first one I'm going to show you is here. So when you're on the Shopstyle.com website, and I don't know if y'all even know that this exists, but this is like the main like brand platform, like the shopping side of things for the everyday person. If you go over to this fashion inspiration tab, right? All right, this was the first hunch. I just happened to like stumble upon this today when I was looking. I'm like, oh, okay, this is interesting. Then I go over to view all and I see these fashion inspiration boards. And if you were to click one of these, let's see, what is something I would want to see? I'm just going to do this one, cargo pants. Here's a bunch of different people who are sharing their cargo inspired outfits. Some kind of work, some kind of don't. But oh my gosh, look, like creators, actual humans. So if I click this, I'm going to see. Oh, see, that took me to the blog post. Okay, it's not what I thought. If I click the image itself, yeah, okay. Then it takes me to this person's, I guess, like homepage, follow page on Shopstyle. You can then click the follow this creator button, see the little description, and then you're able to see the looks. If you remember in Collective Voice, you can create like different looks like that. You can see the looks that they've created here and you can shop from them. So this is really like interesting to me. It is kind of hidden. Oh, what did I just click? Look, this looks totally different. Okay, cool. So this is one way, which was quite interesting to me. And then the other way, let me see, what happens if you click outfits? Oh, here's some more. Here's some more by creators. So then if I click shop this outfit, oh, look at that. That's interesting. Okay. And then also just for fun, if I click trends, which is what I found on the app, let's see, will this work? No, not really. Okay. So very interesting. So let me go over to the app and show you. So the app kind of mirrors the website, kind of, but not really. And if you click over on trends, here are humans. Look at this, human beings. Look at that. And if you click on this, there you go. You get to see the products in the look, cute related products. And then if you click view profile, then you can see, look at that, all this different stuff. I like her style, so I will favorite it, add her to the favorites. That's cool. Look at this, so we can see the products that they have here. And then if you go over to favorites, I think, and then you go all the way over there, the favorites. So I favorited myself because I was trying to figure like out how to make this thing work. These are the two people I followed in this little tutorial. Yeah, so that's what I've seen. What's trending? I don't know. Favorites. Yeah, that's interesting. Brands. Yeah, but it's like this website has all these opportunities to find people and products. So I would really be interested to see the amount of clicks and conversions and follows creators are getting organically from the Shopstyle app and from the website. I'm just curious, because again, I just don't think this is as friendly or as intuitive as Like to Know It. But I still love Collective Voice. I don't intend to leave the platform at any point. I don't know that I'm necessarily going to do more than one affiliate program, but maybe I will, because I would like to be discovered organically in different ways, than the options I have right now. So that's my little tidbit talk for the day. If you have any questions about Collective Voice, I'll help in any way that I can. I don't know everything, but I'm doing more and more, using it, and I'd be happy to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye.